Redaksjonen ha? Ja. B! Wow. Si, ano ko tiga so to mo tratis pleasant tiga so ate.
Mouse PI for hire.
Mouse. Why not? Saksin na kaya West Village to may motitan. Naksin na mo na spilira tagkakutan na kanawasan ako kasin. Isit tokasaro awit unasa unaro po kuwango na tokang nayak para.
Detective Pepper's in the house.
Spillino marijuana.
It was the last stretch, and I was starting to get serious deja vu. Now, where did that bastard go?
What do you mean, passed up? Wow, spigliare ko takpa si. Wow. Api.
Yeah, opening the door ain't rocket science.
Open it door, magic. Si question ulit kasi naksa mo kasi. Space.
Jumping with style.
Proud. Tank. Money!
My joints ain't what they used to be.
The fish. Sana pinagsultan ni Pitok. Sama din ni maksudkan. Good ya. Tokan terus.
So now there's just one of you, huh? Wasting my time.
What about? Paza! Yay! Okay. Spindi ka nga pa sila araw to, no?
Finally.
Ooh. Surplus. I like this. Positive. Tawa ko na akong takpat. Cool, I got the money! Yes, please. Tawasan ka ro. Ito sulat daw.
Uh-oh, we got company.
We are company. I got the money. 이어다! 아이! 어찌다? 어찌다? 에이! 같이 쫓냐와? 인가시야! 좋은데요? 이 시간? 시다바 오늘 까비리 말이 좋아. 그냥 어필을. 오네. 빰빰 빰빰빰 뭐하시나? 한번 easy. 강독서라 메시 슈일따 좀 없는 이야기 나시.
It's over. You got nowhere left to run.
I run toward the dream! A bright future ruled by big mice!
Oh, you absolute. Hey! Hell.
가시죠 자. 빵빵빵. 나 루샤 이건 도구로. Damn. 맛있다지. 빠져. 나와, 나 징어가 약속어. 너는 죽나? 씨. 어이? no. 아빠 대신 왜? 유정.
Whoa. What was that?
아저께야. 씨. Who's next? Dai, ginagotossin ko
Guy's
pa.
got stamina, I'll give him that.
Aman! Aga naman eh! Easy peasy. Squeezy peasy. I'm alive! Några saker fast eh? Till squeezyon.
And another. What is it with this guy in elevators?
Ang masikot. Roaso. Nagkaship na I got the money. Alright. Insurance one. Secure na siya na. Damn! Pagawa na kano ko di siya sa. Rangay tarok po, isut kaso mo. Hey! Salamat kami nga tsaka.
Oh, we'll make it. To the end, huh?
Okay. Aba. Noon sa patang nila. Sabi pingang level.
Stop right there! The hell? He's way too far.
I can hear you just fine, you meddling mouse!
Really? With the engines and the wind?
Don't care!
Fair enough. I'll be there in a blink, all right?
Not a chance! This is the end of the line for you!
We'll see about that.
Bakit? Okay pala! Susukin mo na! Ano yung nakakpo?
You rocked the boat too hard. This is where you fall down.
What a crappy... Some falls don't begin in the sky. They begin in quiet rooms, with friendly voices and fondue bottles. Mine started a few weeks back. The sky was just the exit wound. It began with a call. Routine. Familiar. Wanda from the Mouseburg Herald. Usually she swings by the office with a lead. If it pans out, she hears it first. It's simple, really. She gets her story, I get a few bucks to stockpile cheese, and for a moment, Mouseburg gets to breathe easy. But that day was different. She was tight-lipped. Meat on sight, details later. Had to be someone big. Recognizable. The kind that only says, oops, when they remember they're mortal too. Something within me. Old instinct, baby. Said, turn back. Let this one go. That this case was more trouble than it was worth. But, well, trouble is what I do.
Noon na kayo pa.
Jack, over here.
Okay, bye-bye. Ah!
What's this about, Wanda? Care to toss me a cheese crumb? Or are we doing our usual tug-of-war?
I can give you more than a crumb, Jack. I can give you a magician.
A magician? What, like some wacko waving a stale mozzarella stick in front of a bunch of bored middle-aged mice?
Something like that. But this one disappeared mid-show, right in front of a handful of surprised mice. Some say it's a kidnapping. Others, I figured it might interest you. Goes by the name Magnificent Bandle. Or whatever.
Bandle? As in Steve Bandle?
One and the same. You know him?
You could say that. All right, I'm going in.
Hold your whiskers, Jack. You're not gonna get past the yellow tape without cred. Or a pass. Here.
But it's you in the picture.
Let's just say the officer guarding the backstage is, intellectually innocent.
I'll give it a shot.
Jack? Oh, don't mind me. Just loitering professionally. Mr. Big Shot Detective. What a surprise. Oh, don't mind me. Just loitering professionally.
Huh. A lot of heat for one crime scene.
What's up?
No entry without an ID.
Oh, here you go, officer.
Oh, looking great today, Miss Fuller.
Oh, you...
Damn. You ID.
one of the recent Mouseburg Herald issues. Most of it is filled with rather unremarkable articles about city life, but a curious piece appears on the last page. One Betty Lynch, a small-time actress and former assistant to Steve, the magnificent Bandel, was found dead. Police ruled out foul play, and the case was promptly closed by the authorities.
I should know Jackie 나로잉. 오강득스. 방이랑 스티럭스가. Ah, come on. I got the money. Magician. Just a moment.
Tell LT I'm wrapping things up now. Tell LT I'm wrapping things up now. What you gonna open this with, rookie? Your tail?
Yep, I'm saying. Rabbi, what's up? I'm matching a brain.
All right, let's get this over with. Life's treated you pretty good, huh, Steve?
Old pages are stained with cheese to an unsettling degree. Most of it's Mouseburg general upper crust, but one name stands out. Betty der Fiddle, stand-in assistant, complete with her home address. Could be worth a visit.
An address book. Huh. Steve had an assistant, and she lives nearby. All right, the coast is as clear as it's gonna get.
Not yet. I need the bag. Cool. Orang dokso na misisu sa katan nakto. Nakto. Ah. Okay. Okay. Amo pasin daw.
Of course, flies always swarm rotten cheese.
Cool. Mình thấy nó có cái Sapa. Who's next? Aslında çektiğin ayın girak, ayakta kan girak, naktisang girasya nga, spilak na mabiyo na! Costa clear. Hey! Yep, costa clear. For the garden. Hey lady. Beautiful. Nothing so bad.
That was a steal ticket for sure.
Tu di sa che si mi te siamo. 네, 시고쩍이라. 아. 가로가로. Ôi, ngồi xuống một trong đây mấy. Sun vision. Amma sabe. Allah sabe. Está aí o Upi. Ei! Cheese. Não tem sopá. Damn! Hello! Open Shabby!
Damn shinglers and their explosive barrels.
Damn! Hello. Ah! Ooh. God damn it! It's not funny! cosa mi te coqueta aquí. Alate money. Okay. Nasokan ngira. May masana po. Daba. Namaksan na ngira. Hello. Nice. 시작할까 했는데 오나로. Yeah. Didi, spit your gadget. Ow! A lot of money. No cheese. Eight. Got it up. Nope. What's up? Push the F. Sorry.
Going down. No other way around.
Hey, nangon na sumoktok. Cái khác phỉ.應該先攞未爽。Piap no cái khắc pin đạo. Muốn cho cái cột cái khắc pin. Đã và dan na kami nga sa kasengonaksungan. Happy. Yeah. Hello. Hello, Spitzer. What's up?
Hey, watch it.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, I need the chicken. Never mind. Nothing.
Coming through.
patience?
Ever heard of move?
Yeah, welcome to public transit, bub.
Give me the cheering. Ah, David. What a secret. What do you mean secrets? Ah, that's... Ah. Okay. Okay. Ortaçayı şoka varsa si quoi marche la char c'est marré qui quoi si ça man. You stupid. Asshole! Bye bye! I know it. No. Asshole. Asshole. Ah. Yun yung tokpis sa kanila. Masagi si Biadok pisak aku. Oh, nakanoik mo sa sak. Sikucho si Max to singunat na. Tama. Sabi na ba yung takso? A lot of fight. Who's next? Hot train. Diamond. Nothing. Ok không? Chà.
Hey, don't shoot me, son. Mike Maple is the name. Yeah, smells like the devil's bunghole. But at least it's equally warm here. Now, listen. I ain't got that much time to talk, and you got a job to do. So, you better hurry. I heard some baddies going up.
That's too bad. They should definitely go down.
There's always a little light in the darkness. There's always a little light in the darkness.
Listen, I don't touch. Con đó thì gì mà con đó. Oh. Fucking what are you saying? Fuck. Rồi yung lindo. So mitax pisang man. Iraq. Oh, don't how much use. Okay.
It ain't personal.
Wow. Damn. Ako nga pang ma. Wanito kan nga wanito.
Yeah, this is the place. Now, which apartment was it?
This one. Hello? Hello? What's up? I got your ammo. Hello? Everybody home? What's up? Nice. Hey! Sweetie. Easter egg! Never mind. Thank you for money. Hello!
All I do for him, and he still doesn't notice. The way I dress, the way I curl my tail to set off the curves, the way I work the stage. I do everything she did and more. And Steve still moons over that minx, and she ain't even alive anymore. Ugh, at this rate, I might have to do what Karen says and head out to the wetlands. See if that old shrew ain't just a bedtime story. I know it's wrong, but I'd pay anything to make Steve fall in love.
What in the...
Sweet home. Ha ha ha.
One of the recent Mouseburg Herald issues. This one briefly recounts the history of cheeselegging and its surprising evolution into car racing. When the number of smugglers began to dwindle, many former drivers decided to go somewhat legit by organizing races through the wetlands and the outskirts of Mouseburg. There was only one rule: they had to turn left at every opportunity.
Why not?
Jeez Louise, lady. You're in pieces.
Yes. Oh, Steve was so good to me. And now, without him, I just can't pull myself together.
Well, I mean... Never mind.
What happened to him?
What happened to you?
What you mean, what happened?
Well, not to double down on the joke, but you look, you know,
Yes?
a little broken up, somewhat detached.
I sure am. And I still have to find a new job.
This is going nowhere. I'm looking for Steve.
Well, who isn't? He went puff, and now some mobsters or other are trying to get the money they lost on the show. We're ruined.
Hey. No one's gonna hurt you. Anymore. All right. Any clue who'd want Steve, you know, disappeared?
Who wouldn't? But apart from the small gangs and the mobsters and the crazies and the girls and the police and the...
Okay. Let me just stop you right there. Now, give me the first thing that comes to mind, all right? Go.
Ooh, the party!
Not really the best time to celebrate.
No, the politicians, the big mouse party. Yes, sir, he did rub shoulders with them more than once. He did like them haughty perfume girls and boys, but he likes the politics more. Just ask the stage designer.
Which stage designer?
The stage designer. He tagged along with Steve and his new buddies and did some gigs for them. He's working in the opera mostly.
Oh, you could have started with that. The case stank of crime or cheese. I had to go back to the office and figure out which.
Wait. I'm home. Пукайся. Headshot, motherfucker! พกขวานShit, teman.
When it comes to big shots and celebrities, Wanda might have some pointers.
Damn it! What's up, dude?
Might want to ease up on the cheese sticks, Jay. Your heart's only got so many miles left on it.
Nah, it's running on premium.
Damn, gotta whip up a new retro kablammer. This Spike D crap breaks like it's on a schedule. How come you always got time to hang out? Might want to ease up on the cheese sticks, Jay. Your heart's only got so many miles left on it.
Nah, it's running on premium.
Ê, ủa? Alo. Còn đang liên người rằng á. À.
So, Jack, did you pick up anything useful on your VIP trip to the vaudeville?
Not much to go on, but I met Bandel's assistant. There's this stage designer, see?
Roland?
Roland who?
Roland, the stage designer. Nobody ever remembers his name, so they just call him the stage designer. Quite the specialist. He can make anything, from tiny shrew-sized dioramas to huge catapults hurling limelights all over the stage.
Well, that's something. Shame you didn't bring him up sooner. Could have saved me some time. And bullets.
Jack! Hey, if I'd have known Roland was involved, I'd have told you. It's like the movie trailers. You only shout spoilers after you've seen the movie.
Yeah, well, either way. Step one's charting what I've got. This mess won't organize itself.
If it's dirty, I need 2 copies. Curiosity didn't kill the mouse, Jack. Deadlines did. News is something somebody doesn't want printed, Jack. All else is advertising.
So, what's up, John?
Oh, you know, same old, same old. Plenty folks drinking, not a whole lot of them paying.
You wanna bind or something?
Oh, gods, no. And I ain't looking for no handout, neither. They ain't crooks, Jack. Just broke as hell.
Then why keep serving them cheese? You know they'll just slap it on the tab and you will be waiting forever for the cheddar.
Ah, they're my folks, mostly. Shrews, you know? And when you're lucky enough to open a bar, you look out for the little guy.
Yeah, sure, but the little guy has to pay one day, right?
Somebody's paying. You, for one.
Hey, kitty guy. Lỗi.
He had my eyes, and I wasn't leaving without him.
Accidental Fandish. Some reason. Wait. Okay. I don't need money. Aku siap, big. Woo! Ammo. That's all. Use. One nut.
one of the older Mouseburg Herald issues. This one recounts the story of a group of old-world scientists whose ethics during the quite big affair were, to put it mildly, less than stellar. To avoid capital punishment, they entered the science protection system, where their brilliant, yet dead-cold minds are now hard at work, building the shining future of Mouseburg and the rest of our fine country.
Guess Tammy's little workshop makeover ain't quite finished yet.
What's up? I guess I'm at home. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Skavlen doen een zoena. 아실이 아실이구나. 시스. Okay.
Stick that here. Off to the opera, then.
Shut up! Madonnet. Dabei gilliteriarlugu qoinasinaas boys. Qoinasinaas tum pisin arlarsmas tamasbaa tullimatakush. Bye bye. Copy.